The Titan ControlMax 1500 Airless Sprayer is designed for serious do-it-yourself enthusiasts and handymen, providing high output with enhanced control and reduced mess. Utilizing high-efficiency airless technology, this sprayer significantly decreases overspray by up to 55% while providing a softer spray for a consistent finish. It features a robust 0.55 horsepower motor, allowing it to spray unthinned paints and stains at a flow rate of 0.29 gallons per minute. The sprayer conveniently draws paint directly from 1 or 5 gallon cans and includes integrated storage for tips and tools, enhancing user convenience. With a maximum operating pressure of 1,500 pounds per square inch and a 25-foot hose, it is well suited for both interior and exterior projects. Backed by an impressive 2-year warranty, the Titan ControlMax 1500 is built to last, offering durability and longevity unmatched by many competitors.